This is the real Shumani concordance ever in the history of mankind. We have come to change the centralized government systems to decentralized government systems. The true leadership. Let us try to differentiate the two. Centralized government means that most decisions are made by the government officials in the capital city, whereby the local citizens have no single hand, take no an upper hand in the concerned decision making of theirs. Therefore, when we reverse this one, we're gonna use the decentralized systems whereby all the decisive decision is politically, economically, socially shall be made by the local citizens themselves basing in their villages due to their social, political, economic, and humanitarian needs on grounds. Then the officials have to take their written decisions to be hinged upon and arrange them in their ascending order to be put in the action plan. Then to be sponsored and to be hinged upon to organize the society. Here I mean the current one and the coming expected futurity of the new generation is. Therefore, this shall help to train all citizens to become artisans. An artisan is a person who is skilled in making things. This in our main agenda target shall be aiming at creating production. And production is the creation of goods and services. In other words, creation of commodity. Here we shall produce and we shall get primary production, higher, secondary production, tertiary production, and around about production. Also, to aim furthermore in the greatest surplus for the world markets after ours here in Rwanda. The surplus is the amount left after food, clothing, and shelter have been provided for. Therefore, here all Rwandans shall make whatever is possible to be very productive as they are very reproductive. And their both production shall be the main source of the economic growth rapidly and economic development in the top gear of our main agenda in our future advanced society of all Rwandans and for all Rwandans without any segregation. Therefore, Rwanda shall advance to become the capital city of Africa. It will live to be a republic and shall become the main capital city of Africa. But her definition shall remain in the real core meaning. Rwanda means large country and has been a republic since 1962. A republic is a form of government in which the people elect their president, vice president, and members of the Senate and the House of Representatives. According to this definition of the republic, we don't know whether people have been respecting this one or has been being meandered, or they have been meandering with it according to their political and personal genesis in the lineage of nepotism and the total corruption branched with and by general bribation. Therefore, Rwanda shall promote the advanced agriculture countrywide and industries too. The soft industries and the hardest complex industries in the future. The RUDA and the RUDAs, we are very serious and well determined to do whatever possible and to play our cards excellently and to run around the Crow community hand to check one after another, to set everything in the real orderliness, politically, economically, socially, to make sure that Rwanda is going to change from this level, is basing currently to the new advanced one, to make the advanced record and to break the wonderful record globally. Therefore, I, the RUDA President, Barafinda Sechbo Fred, am greeting you in my real name, or names, and giving you the greatest warm greetings and welcome to Rwanda. Rwanda shall be made the peaceful and wonderful place for every person from his and yon globally. This shall be the real focal point of human beings globally. All people from near and far away shall and must be coming here in the future capital city of Africa of theirs. And Africa too shall be the capital city of the whole entire world of human beings. Then God shall find us in those capital cities. So nobody should chase fellow human beings from capital cities to go far away from them or to go into deep villages. Let us bring the new political science, changing all the villages into towns, the greatest towns into the greatest capital city. Thank you very much indeed. If you need for much more information, you can call us at plus 250 78 20 78 34 28 622. I repeat once again. Plus 250 78 34 28 622. Our web page www.R2UDA.tk. Our satellites are ever set in 24/7 in north, east, west, south, and in our permanent location, in our permanent locality. Therefore, I, the Rwanda President, Barafinda Fred, I greet you all over the world. Thank you very much. Thank you very much indeed. And it is my great pleasure to have talked to you in this juncture material time, hoping that this message shall find you wherever you are and wherever you land. Pass it over to other persons around the world that Barafinda is on his way coming, and I'm coming. The sooner the better.